Insert with dowel into board 2. Then, insert minicam and with dowel into each hole on the board 3. Screw the drawer slide on the board 3 by using CSK 3.5mm and CSK 3mm. Next, insert with dowel into the board 4. Screw slide drawer on the board 4 by using CSK 3.5mm and CSK 3mm, and attach board 4 with the board 2. Screw board 4 by using cap with screws. Then, insert with dowel into each hole on the board 11. Attach board 11 with board 3 and screw by using cap with screw. Attach board 5 on the board 2 and board 4 and screw by using cap with screw. Attach nail leg at the bottom of the cabinet. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 1. Then, attach board 1 as the top of table. Insert minicam and with dowel into each hole on board 8, 9, 10. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 7. Attach board 8, 9 on board 7 and tighten the minicam. Slide in board 6 and attach board 10 by using CSK M4X38mm. Screw the drawer slide by using CSK M3 and CSK M3.5. Done.